so today's vlog is probably, or today is probably going to be filled with scooping a lot of snow. There's a lot of snow out there. All right. So my dad's currently trying to get through all the drifts, and we just spent like the last hour trying to put on his scoop thingy on the back of his tractor, which was quite fun. I haven't really ventured out this way yet, so I thought I'd go ahead and see what's going on out here. That there's the road. That pole is. I don't think it's open yet. Next project is going up to the attic because there's a drift up here. Trying to get the car unstuck. Oh yeah, that's why it won't move. There's a car sitting on the road out there.
Where?
Out there.
Right.
Wait, yeah.
Anybody in it?
Yeah, they started moving after I saw them.
Oh.
I'm going to see if there's any mail. I'm about to make a snow fort. This is the location. I'd say this is a pretty legit hole. I mean, it's not super spacious, but it's pretty cool. Like, look at that. All right, so I made it back in one piece. I don't know how long I was out there, but I was out there a long time.